There's a phrase by Noah Smith, and I'm paraphrasing here. 20 years ago, we used to use the internet to escape the real world. Now, we use the real world to escape the internet. How weird is that? And that just kind of goes to show the kind of world we're living in now. Motorcycles, by their very nature, mean you have to be outside. So isn't it great? And shouldn't we be encouraging everybody to ride motorcycles to get out and enjoy nature? And you see, motorcycles don't just take you places, they make you feel the places that you go. You're more involved in the environment. It's not like I'd be in a car where you're surrounded by a cage. Being on a motorcycle, you really are part of the world. And you can't, while you're on a motorcycle, you can't worry about social media, and you can't worry about all the latest things that are online, or worrying about the internet, or worry about everything else. You really, all you can do is focus on what you're currently doing, and basically try to stay alive. So yeah, so as the summer comes to an end, I'm out today, and there's just so many bikes out, and it's just great to see them sort of engaging with nature, just being out in the countryside and just really enjoying everything that nature has to offer. I think we should be encouraging a lot more people to do that.
Thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. Think I was broken, I needed some time to clear my head. 'Cause I've made all the mistakes, and I've dealt with the heartbreaks, but I think that I found my way. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. I'll find my way back to you. I see a river floating.
In a world where screens fight for your attention every second, a motorcycle is more than just a machine. It's a way back to the wind, the road, the silence between gears, back to something real. Ironically, I came up with the idea for this video whilst scrolling Instagram. Whilst mindlessly scrolling on a Sunday morning, I came across this post and it read, "Motorcycles help you touch grass." That really stuck in my head like a thorn, and then and there I got up, put my gear on, and I went for a ride. My aim was to get out for a ride and capture the feeling of being outside, being with nature, living for the moment. You see, this is the first Sunday in September, and that feeling that summer has ended and autumn is in full swing has given a lot of other motorcyclists the same idea. Get out and make the most of this weather, as we do not know how much longer it will last. See, I had a long script planned for this video, but I think I would just let the visuals do the talking. You don't need me to tell you the idea that riding gets you back to nature. If you ride, you already know that.
Yeah, I think that I'm finding my way. Thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. But I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken, and I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I'll find
consolation or quick fix remedy. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right, never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Yeah, leave the light on. If I'll ever change, dreaming of Nashville, Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better things to think about than that? Like deadlines, rents due, bills pile up, family day in, day out, the clock's mocking me, getting old, oh, got the kids deserve so much more than this, gotta get rich.